everybody and welcome back. I have a box here that I want to unbox. Well, duh. Okay, I'll start over. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a ScrawlrBox that I got. I'm pretty excited for this. I haven't used ScrawlrBox. I haven't used ScrawlrBox before, so I'm pretty excited to see what's inside. Ooh! Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, can you stay open? Thank you. ScrawlrBox. Oh, okay. That's gonna show us what's in there, but I don't want to know yet. So 20 sheets of 140 something cartridge paper. The long, thin one. Alright. Oh, there's the iconic scribble sticker. I'm so psyched. There we go. Oh, and here's this one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm not saying what's in it. So what's this guy? Centropen Liner. Is this a white liner? Nope, it's a black liner. A very white pen. Confusing. Alright. What's this? That writing is not English. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited to fiddle around with whatever that is. Is this a candy? Uncle Joe's mint balls. Everybody loves Uncle Joe's balls. Alright. Oh, some kind of pencil. It's a B pencil. And Calli flexible creative. So it's calligraphy markers? Flexible italic markers. Alright. Good. Oh no! I'm ripping everything. Okay. Let's move things. Alright, I wanna test these out. Oh, this one's the winner! Alright. So this is just a pencil. Yay. Alright, and this is a Centropen Liner. Still got a pretty good amount of difference in your strokes with it. That's pretty nice. Pen is hard to close, holy. Okay, now this guy, this is the Kuretake Fude twin tip marker. Ooh. Love that. It's twin tip, so is this like a brush? Ooh! Interesting. Interesting. Okay, and then we've got these. Flexi creative tip. I don't know how to use these. There we go. These are definitely going to take some experimenting with. These are some beautiful bright colors. Oh, how bright is this guy going to be? Bright as the sun. Whew, that smell. That smell though. Holy. Now everybody's favorite color. Turd. Alright. So that's all of them. Time to try and think of what I'm gonna do. Am I gonna do it on here? Oh, shoot. My fingers are leaking. In the Scrawler zine, they had a page with some tips on how to effectively use the brush pen. Upstrokes are thinner, go thicker on the downstrokes, and a reminder that calligraphy is not cursive. Instead of one continuous motion, break it down into smaller sections. Once I felt I had the fundamentals figured, I found some references on Google Images and I attempted to recreate them as closely as possible. You can see how uncomfortable I am trying to figure out this new technique by how much I fiddle with the pen as I draw. And then, once I felt comfortable enough, it was time to try my hand at creating some calligraphy art. Just a reminder that I am once again accepting commissions, so if you have something you'd like drawn, throw me an email and let me know. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more artsy stuff coming your way. Also, if you'd like to have a say in future content on this channel and have access to exclusive content, join our Patreon family. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see ya!